When making a difficult choice, I always advise pros and cons. Get out the pen and paper. It's better, even better than on the phone. Something about writing really helps our mind to process. So looking at the pros of your choice and the cons of the choice, and you just write that out. Usually I've not seen this not work. The answer will stand out. If you think about it, meditate on it, pray about it, you'll be able to make a good choice. And at least in the moment. And say you made the choice and a day or 10 years down the line, you think, oh, that wasn't a good choice. At least you can look back like, well, I thought about it. I wrote about it. Another key is seek some wise counsel, be able to bounce your ideas off of somebody. And so if you do those things, then you're not afraid to make a choice. I'd be more afraid to not make a choice than to make a bad choice, to be honest, because we have to be able to handle failure or setbacks without regrets or debilitating us, because some people are just devastated by choices and they won't make them. And so their life is really stagnant because of it. So when making a choice, list the pros and cons, seek counsel, meditate over it, pray about it, and then you just make the choice. And if it's a good choice, great. And if down the line it was not the best choice, you just have to have mercy and compassion and grace for your younger self. You must have made the best decision in the moment, given what you knew. And sometimes down the line, we'll get more different information that would have changed the choice. But knowing that in the moment when you're making the choice, you're making the best choice based on what you know at the time.